In this video, we will discuss some more tags and mark tag. Mark means to highlight the text. If you want to make some text highlighted on the web page, so you can use mark for that. For mark tag, we need to create a new file. So I will create a copy of this file and paste over here, and I will rename the file with mark.html. So what I need to do, I just need to write, just remove the small tag and consider as a normal paragraph. So I want to highlight this one line or this one line. So what I need to do, I just need to write mark and also close this mark tag, and this whole line will be considered as a mark or highlighted. So just copy the path and paste over here. You can see that only one line, this small text, this some text has been highlighted. Now you can see that only one line of text has been highlighted. So you can also make it br tag to just move the text into next line. You can see that this line has been highlighted. So let's discuss some interesting tags in HTML5. BDO. A BDO tag, we can change the total direction of the text. We can write the text from left to right or right to left. So let's see how does it work. I want to create a new file, so I will make a copy of this file, copy and paste, and rename this file as a BDO. So now I have the file. So what I need to do, I just need to convert the direction of this text. So what I need to do, I just need to write the BDO and also move this to the next line, and I want to convert this into BDO. So what I just need to write, and we need to set the direction for this. dir direction will be, we can, by default it is from right to left, from left to right, and we want to change the text from left to right, from right to left. So let's see the result. Copy the file and paste over here. So you can see that we have the text format. Lorem ipsum is simply a dummy text. So we can see that this text has been converted into from left to right, from right to left. By default it is from left to right. Refresh the file. Now it's from left to right. So if I make the text bold, you will see that this text is being so I will convert this into right to left, and you will see the magic for this. So now you can see that the whole text is being converted from right to left. Whole text and their symbols and letters will be converted into the other direction. The next tag we have is Marquee Tag. Marquee Tag is used to animate the text or show the text in animation, and it moves the text from one direction to another direction. So let's see how does it work. So for this purpose I will create a new file, marquee.html, and we will write HTML skeleton marquee tag, and I will create the file. So what I need to do, I need to write HTML h2 tag and this is news updates. So I want to animate this text. So what I need to do, I just need to use marquee tag, and I want to enclose this marquee tag with /, and just make this file, copy this file path and paste over here. So you can see that this file is being moving from left to right. Now let's see. So you can see that this file is moving from left to right. If I want to display something like change the direction of this file, so I will write some attributes direction, and the direction is from left to right, means I want to write from right to left. I want to move this from left to right. So now it is from left to right. So what I need to change the direction. So for direction we can write direction from left to right. So I can see that this is from left to right. So I will refresh the file. So this is how we can see. If I want to change the direction, so I can write right, so it will change the direction. So I will copy this file, I will copy this and paste over here, and I will write left. I will write it, I will leave it as a blank. Now you can see the result. So by default it is from left to right, and if we can change the direction, we can also add some more attributes, width with 50%, and we can also change the direction. We can also change the direction from up to down, and also from down to up. So you can also use down for that. So let's refresh the file. Now you can see that text will move from down to up, and this text will be moved. Text will move from up to down. Okay, now just let's check the result. So the text will move from left to right. We can also use width for that. Width is equal to 50%. So it will increase. So this is how we can animate the text on the screen. So you can use you can practice this, and you can use by many means.